guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use OreglTV. So Oreg is a video chat where you can just be an anonymous actually. So once you go to Play Store, Apple Store, and install the OreglTV, you are going to see this interface. So what you have to do is you have to dive through. Just check through random usernames that you best love, right? You can see thousands and lots of username. So maybe just choose this one. You can also choose your gender, and you have to click on agree, and you click on fast login. So it's going to log you in very fast. It's quick, though it's going to take some few seconds. So you can see I am logged in already. So what you need to do is you can just tap on start, and you can start to check match histories, and this is like the chat area and also your profile. And once you click on this, you can see male and female, so you can filter a match for you. If you want males only or female only, you can choose on that, or maybe you want both. And also you can pick the country you prefer or just worldwide. So you click on apply filter. Once you apply on that, you can tap on start and you get started. And also for the coins, you can actually buy coins on the OreglTV and use it to filter male or female and other countries. Then once you want to start, you have to allow permission for camera and microphones. This is literally how to use it, and once you tap on this, it's going to start. So I'm just going to quickly start, and you can see, so it's going to start searching, and that is just literally how to use OreglTV. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.